Okay, so I just made something really cool. I didn't know, I mean, I did, but you can make iPhone apps just for your phone. You don't need to release it to the iPhones, to the App Store. So I always use transcription, but I always have to upload it. But I like transcribing on my phone, and then I use a ton of different programs. I have this watcher here that watches a Dropbox folder. But what I did was I programmed this app, very simple, that I can record, and as soon as I stop pushing record, it will go ahead and upload it to transcribe and then direct to my program. But I can say which program that I want it to go to. So I'll go ahead and push record. That's the layout. I'll put some images. Code. This is the second test. I'll stop and it'll automatically start to upload. And it didn't work because I didn't say the keyword, but you can see in my clipboard history it's there. So I'm going to say code, thank you. This is the second test. It detects which program it is to whatever is before the word thank you and then strips out the word thank you. Writer, thank you. This is the second test for IA Writer. It's all running on my local network. It's not going over the internet. And it just routed it to IA Writer. I'm not sure why I did it twice, but it works. And the best part is if I'm listening to music, this is the test for music. It'll start playing the music right after I finish so I can still listen to my tunes. Pretty cool, huh?